everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab. Hope you're having a great day today. I just wanted to go over some updates about the rail system that we have. There have been some changes to this since it first came out. Through you guys' feedback, we thought about a few things that could be improved on it. The original version, the structure wasn't as strong in the mount point area, so you really had to tighten that down. Also, the legs were pretty much even on the outside and the inside, so we made a speaker version where we kind of cut off that inner nub, because when your vehicle has a center channel speaker, this trim kind of gets in the way of that nub. So we made a small nub, as you can see there, and we've also used a washer here to spread some of that pressure, but this whole area has been strengthened up here, and in general all throughout the system it's been strengthened. You can see me moving it. I actually put my phone on here and pulled off one of the older metal plates. It got stuck to this thing because it was so strong, but this is a lot stronger. It will start to come with pre-applied 3M. It should make contact in that leg area right there to help the twist even more. And now, since the launch, not only do we have the phone mount, but we also have a GoPro mount that you can purchase as well. All right, I've taken the mount off of my vehicle so you can see what it looks like on a vehicle that just has that center cubby. I tightened it down a lot, and you can see how that structure doesn't collapse down as much on that V1 version. Let me get this installed and show you what it looks like. All right, so this is what it looks like when you have the cubby. You can still kind of slide some stuff back here. Maybe not this whole box, but something back there. You can see it sits flat, and those nubs kind of help it from rotating left and right, kind of torquing. But if you're in the market for a phone mount on your dash so you can record some stuff or just put your navigation up there, sometimes people run dual nav, just their app preference or whatnot. If you're not using Android Auto or you're not using CarPlay to run it. There's also other apps, of course. Anyways, also, if you have a GoPro, you can mount it right there. Give you a nice steady trail cam. So those are the updates that we've done to this rail system. Thank you guys for your feedback. Thank you for purchasing our products, liking our videos, giving us suggestions and ways to improve our products. Please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't, and hit that bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things we're coming out for the Ford Bronco. Thank you.